Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about all of my favorite things, all of my favorite beauty products, what I use on my hair, my face, my skin, makeup, all that stuff. It's not a whole lot, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I had like more stuff that I use on a daily basis, but I don't. So I just have everything right here in this, oh, it's all gonna fall over. I grabbed one of these plastic bin tote things that I have, and I just put everything in here so I could bring it onto my bedroom floor and show you guys everything. I think I'm gonna start with skincare. Okay, so my daily skincare routine. I used to never wash my face before I went to bed, like all through high school, college, like I literally never washed my face before bed. It wasn't until I was like 30, which I'm going to be 32 in April, but it like wasn't until I was 30 that I really started like taking care of my skin on my face. So this is what I use every day. I use the Kirkland brand makeup remover wipes. They're technically not even like makeup remover, they're just daily facial towelettes. Even my kids use these. They come in a big box and they last forever, but these are the only makeup wipes that I've ever used that don't make my skin break out. They take off makeup really, really well, especially like mascara that's hard to get off. First, I just wipe off all my makeup with that, and then I go in with my facial cleanser, and I just use the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Oily Skin Formula. I get this at Ulta. I'm going to link every single product down below for you guys so you can find the exact thing if you are looking for it, but I get my Clinique facial stuff from Ulta, and this is just the soap that I use. And then after the soap, I go in with this toner. It is also the Clinique Clarifying Lotion Twice a Day Exfoliator, but I mean, it's like a toner and it has a little pump on the top, so I just use like a cotton pad and pump it on there and then just go all over my face with that. And when I'm in the shower, I use a washcloth to like exfoliate my face, but I don't do that every single day, and I do it with my face wash. I used to be the type of person that used like an exfoliator like face wash every single day, and I feel like, I don't know, maybe that could be why I used to like break out so much, or maybe because I didn't use the right stuff for my skin, I don't know. But what I'm doing now is working awesome for my skin, and I only ever get like one zit a month, if you know what I mean. So after the toner, I use my moisturizer. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. And this is what it looks like. It has a little pump. And then I use my eye cream. I'm 31, so it was time for an eye cream, and although I haven't tried a bunch of different ones, I know this one works amazing. I used to have like very like puffy, like hooded kind of eyelids, and now I don't, since I've been using this for about 8 months or so. And a little bit goes a super long way, and it's definitely, you get your money's worth out of it, because eye creams are not cheap. I think this is like $60 for this little tiny thing, but this will last me forever. But this is the Rodan & Fields Redefine Multifunction Eye Cream, and here's what it looks like. I have a few girlfriends that sell Rodan & Fields. This is actually a new one that I just got, but you literally take like the, look, I'll show you, like the tiniest little amount on your finger, and that's all you use. So, well, should I put that back in there? Yeah. Every last drop. So that's all my skincare products for my face. Everything that I use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and one of them's makeup wipe. So there's that. And then next up, let me show you my body stuff. So I just use like bar soap in the shower. Super basic. I think it's like Dove or something. I don't know what we have in there right now. So that's what I use to just like wash my body. And then shaving cream, I have this EOS Evolution of Smooth Shave Cream, and it smells so good. I love this stuff. And then when I get out of the shower, I am one of those people that like I have to moisturize the second I get out of the shower, otherwise I feel like tight and like itchy. So this is my favorite moisturizer ever, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. And now let's do hair. So shampoo and conditioner. I wash my hair like, I want to say every 2 or 3 days. Sometimes I can get away with more, but I used to wash my hair every single day and use heat on my hair every single day. And being blonde, that doesn't work out very well. So I stopped doing that, and I started using this stuff, and my hair like has never been better. So being blonde. So shampoo and conditioner, I use this set, Extra Strength Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil. They smell so good. I'm almost out of conditioner. I need to get more. And then the days that I use purple shampoo to brighten up my brassiness, which it looks like I kind of need to do soon. I don't know, once a week maybe I will do purple shampoo. That's why this massive bottle lasts me forever. I also really like the Kristen S purple shampoo from Target, but right now I have this Joico Color Balance purple, this huge bottle. Okay, so then after I shampoo and condition my hair, I get out of the shower and I use this leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. It's called Adria All-in-One Spray for all hair types. Frizz control, detangle, shine, condition. This stuff, like I said, smells so good, very inexpensive, and it makes my hair soft, so that's great. Days that I don't wash my hair, we gotta have some dry shampoo, and Batiste is my favorite dry shampoo that I use. There used to be a scent, there might still be, but I can never find it. There used to be a scent by Batiste called Neon, and that was like my favorite scent for dry shampoo, and I can never find it anymore, so that's a bummer. But I just have this one right now. I always just get a different scent. I don't really have a favorite one, but this is the Wild scent, and it's like the big can. You can get smaller cans as well, but that's the big one. So that's all my hair stuff, and now all I have left is my makeup. So let me show you my makeup products, which isn't a whole lot either. I'm not showing you guys like brushes or anything because I have done a ton of get ready with me videos, and my brushes like don't really change, and everyone has their own preference for what kind of brushes they use. So I'll kind of just tell you what I use with these, but I'm just showing you products. So first thing after I moisturize and let my eye cream set in is my beauty blender. I don't know if this is a beauty blender or if this is like an ELF one, but whatever. A beauty sponge. I get it wet and then wring it out so it's just damp. And then I do a pump of my foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and mine is the number 450. I do self-tan, so this matches my tan, but I probably could use like a couple shades lighter when I'm not self-tanned, but it's rare that I'm not self-tanned. I just feel so much better with a tan. And then I do my concealer. Now I used to be a Shape Tape girl for my concealer, and then I found this dupe, and it's the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and it looks like Shape Tape. The consistency is like Shape Tape. It works just as good as Shape Tape, but it's way, way cheaper. So this is, here's a little close-up of it, and it's a big tube, and it has a big applicator, just like it's literally identical to Shape Tape. So Cash just came in to get on his bed. I have the color Light Nude, and it's my favorite concealer. And I apply that with my beauty blender as well. After that, I will set my concealer. I just do it under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead and my chin. I will set it with this powder and just like a fluffy brush. This is the CoverGirl True Blend. I have Translucent Light. And after I set that, I will do my bronzer. I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and the color is 6676 Bronzer. So here's a close-up of this, which you guys have seen this in my Get Ready With Me videos. This bronzer is amazing, and it smells like summer. Oh, it smells like coconut, like the beach, like tanning oil. It smells so good. I love it. After I do my bronzer, I do my blush. This is the Milani 05 Luminoso Baked Powder Blush, and it's like the perfect pink color that I like. So here's that. It's like a little, like, not iridescent. It just has like, I don't know, it has a little sheen to it. So I don't wear like highlight or anything because it kind of like, I don't know, it has like a highlight in it. So that's my blush, and I just do that with like a fluffy little blush brush. And then I will do my eyeshadow. So I have like a fluffy like blending brush that I use for my eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow palette I recently got just like a couple months ago. It's like the little Tarte palette, Tartelette Flirt is what it's called. Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette, and it has 6 eyeshadows in it. Here we go. And the only ones that I've really been using are these bottom 2 right here. So the colors are Passion and Snuggle, and I'll take the darkest one and I put that like in the corner with that blending brush, and I just kind of blend it in, and then I take this shimmery Passion one right here, and I don't know, this one's like matte and this one's shimmery, and then I use my finger and I put that like on the center and kind of blend it in, and then I go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter and I put that on like the inner corner, and then I'll take the blending brush and just kind of like make sure it's all blended out like up on top. Nothing fancy, but I love this combo currently. And then for my eyeshadow, my mascara, I use the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Is it L'Oreal? Yes, L'Oreal. And clearly I need a new one because that is, you can tell it's old. But I used to use this and it would dry out so quickly. Like I could use it for like 2 weeks and it would be dried out. And then I learned a little trick about putting like 5 drops of eye drops in there, like just regular old eye drops, and swirl it around in there, and it like loosens it all up and gets it like back to new basically. So I do that over and over again until there's literally nothing left in the tube, and it lasts so much longer. And this is my favorite mascara. It has the best wand on it, and I mean, I need a new one, but I am a mascara freak. I love mascara. I love trying new mascaras, but when I find a good one, I always go back to it. It's always, this is my holy grail. Ride or die mascara right here. So that's that. And then for lips, my very favorite 2 lip products besides like strawberry chapstick, like the chapstick brand strawberry chapstick. I keep that in my car. I have it in my nightstand. Like that's my favorite for like moisturizing, which I don't have it in here. But every day, like I used to not be a lipstick person, but this lipstick, I wear it like pretty much every single day. And this is the MAC Viva Glam 2, and I need a new one of these too. So we're running out, as you can see, but it's like the perfect like mauve-y nude, and I always get asked about this, like what lipstick are you wearing in this video? And it's always Viva Glam 2. So if I'm not wearing lipstick and I just want like a little tiny color and some like moisture and like a little gloss, this is the NARS Orgasm just lip gloss, and you can see I've like already used half of it. It looks like it's bright pink, but it's not. It's just like a little bit tinted, a little shimmery, nice gloss. So yeah, that is all of my current beauty products. They never really change. Rarely they will change. I'll switch up like my foundation or something like that, but pretty much I stick to the same stuff, and I love all of this stuff. So like I said, I'll link it all below for you guys. If you are trying to find a certain one and you want to hop on and get it online, then I will help you out with that. But that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these kinds of videos. And I know the comments are not on, and people are always asking me why I turn the comments off, but I don't turn the comments off. YouTube does. There's so many channels that are affected by this, and I'm not the only one. I've contacted YouTube so many times trying to get this resolved, and they basically just reply with like a generic answer. And it's because I have kids on my channel, like in my older videos. My comments got shut off like 9 months ago, and they just haven't been back on. So make sure you're following me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm most active on Instagram, but I have been posting all my videos on Facebook as well, so you can comment on the videos there if you would like to. It's just Kristen Kasper Vlogs. I do have it linked down below, but I'm on my Instagram stories like all day, every day, and posting on there too. So be sure to follow me so we can connect there. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!